All right, this is my grandfather and I. We built this car. He's had it for, I want to say over 17 years now. We just finished it up last 3 or 4 years. So I'm going to do a little overview of it, and we'll do a cold start. We'll get it started. You can hear it run. So here it is. It's a 1957 Chevy. It's got a 350 motor, 2 4s. It's got the Dodge Lancer, or well, he doesn't have the Dodge Lancers on right now. Right up here's the hubcaps we usually have, the Dodge Lancer Originals. Usually we have those on, but we've got louvers all over. You can see he's got a louver press. He custom built the battery boxes for him and the radiator covers. And he also built the steering box covers. That's the one that he punched louvers in. You can see there. So here's the motor and everything. It's our interior with our Impala steering wheel. Let me get the back of it here before I start it up. It's a nasty day out today. You can see that's my project there. We'll have more of that later. We've got the Harley-Davidson fishtail tailpipes. We've got the 59 Cadillac tail lights. We've got the louvered trunk lid there. So let's see if we can't fire this up real fast. This is a cold start. I'm not sure when the last time this was started was. Oh, it's also got the shaved door handles. We don't have a popper on it yet, so we have to open it with the homemade door handle there. So now get inside. And you can see we've got the mama and the daddy side. So on the car so far we've got 845 miles, but we didn't have the speedometer hooked up until about the first 1,000 after the motor got broke in. So started up here, you can see the steering column's completely shaved on it, no blinkers, nothing. So we have all the controls inside here with the CD player, the trunk popper, the on switch, and the ignition, the on switch for the lights, that is. So give it a little prime for a good time and see what she does. Oh, come on. Don't do this. There's no choke. So it's got the 2 4s, no choke. So sometimes when it's cold, she doesn't want to start sometimes, but she will, that's guaranteed. Get a little more prime. A little pumpage. Give it a second. Usually it fires up right away, but it is cold out today. Give it a second. Ah, there we go. Just had to put the pedal on the floor a little bit. Come on, baby. There you go. By the way, I forgot to mention it also has a Pete Jackson gear drive, a real noisy one, if you didn't already hear it. So here's a video of it, here's some of it of running. It does run rich, extremely rich. So let's shut it down here. I'll give it a couple more revs. It shuts off extremely fast. So, well, that's pretty much the overview of it. And then next video we'll do a video of my truck, the 38 Chevy Hot Rod, which I just got the motor today. That's why I'm out here to drop it off. We may install the motor today, but we don't have the stuff to get it running yet. But that's it. Thanks.